Universal Orlando has officially moved to a digital-first system for the Attraction Access Pass, or AAP. If you're used to the old paper cards and lanyards, 2026 is going to look very different. I just tested this with my family to see how it works for those with sensory and mobility needs. Today, I'm walking you through the mandatory steps to get you set up before you even scan into your first ride. Step one is still the IBCCES website. Make sure you register for your IAC card at least 48 hours before you leave. But even if you're pre-approved, you still have to visit guest services on your first day. This is the biggest change. Your entire party, up to 6 people, must be present. Universal now uses digital photo validation, meaning they take a quick face scan of everyone in your group to link your tickets to the AAP. Once that's done, you are officially digital for the rest of your trip. The paper cards are gone. Now you manage everything in the Universal Orlando app. Once you're inside the park and have checked in, you'll see an Eligible Attractions tab. For the big rides like Hagrid's, you'll see this specific AAP button. Just tap it to request your return time. Here is the best part of the digital shift. You don't have to stay in the park while you wait. As long as you are physically inside the park gates, when you hit that request button, you can actually leave the park to go back to your hotel for a midday break or a swim while your countdown runs. It gives you so much more freedom to manage your family's energy levels throughout the day. When your return window opens, a QR code will appear in your app's Wallet section. Just walk up to the express entrance, show the code, and you're in. We used this for Hagrid's twice and Gringotts once with 0 issues. Pro tip, you can only have one active return time at once, but you can book your next one about 10 minutes after you scan into your current ride. Make sure you have a portable power bank because you'll be using your phone more than ever. Overall, the digital system is a huge win for comfort, even if the face scan feels like an extra step. If you have questions about how this works for your specific family needs, drop a comment below. Dealing with park logistics shouldn't be stressful. If you want me to handle the planning for your next Universal trip, my contact info is in the description. Subscribe for more expert tips, and I'll see you next at the Disney Princess Half Marathon.